Hello everyone, this is Q, and in this video I will go over the concept of prime numbers. A number is a prime number if it satisfies the following properties. A prime number has two factors, the number 1 and itself. What this means is, for instance, if you take a number 27, 27 can be divided by 3, can be divided by 1, can be divided by 9, can be divided by itself, 27. So this number, 27, has 4 factors. So this cannot be a prime number. A prime number has to have only 2 factors. The number 1, which all the numbers, all the integers or any number in math can be divided by, and itself. So for instance, say take the number 2. 2 can only be divided by 1 or 2 to get an integer as an answer. So these would be considered as factors. So a prime number would only have 2 factors. A prime number only applies to positive integers. So you won't find any negative prime number. A prime number cannot be 1 as it has only 1 factor and not 2. So the number 1 is not a prime number because it can only be divided by 1. Any other division will not result in an integer. And because it does not have 2 factors, it violates the first property, and hence it is not a prime number. 2 is the only even prime number, as all the other even numbers are divisible by 2. So you can take any number, for instance 20 is divisible by 2 as it gives an integer, an answer which is an integer of 10. Now, the most common prime numbers that you will use in your, that you may be expected to know in exams are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and 23. It's always a good idea to memorize these numbers as this may help you in calculations. I hope this video helped in understanding the concept of prime numbers. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my videos. Please hit subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep following.